Hlahla Mukwananzi, a South African law enforcement official who is serving the KwaZulu-Natal province of South Africa, as the Provincial police said. In his report to the President of the Republic of South Africa, Mukwananzi writes that crime in South Africa involves international players from ZANU-PF and its president's office. General Hlahla Mukwananzi speaks out, naming Sewe Chivayo, and it agree in his speech. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The report went on to say ZANU-PF big wings and the people who are said to be from the office of the Zimbabwean president are working with their counterparts in ANC to illegally move money, goods, minor into South Africa for exports to countries where individuals, ZANU-PF members, are sanctioned not to do business into. In return, the Mnangagwa people who supplied untraceable military trained gunmen, e.g. ZANU-PF supplied gunmen who participated in KwaZulu-Natal ANC political killings. General Mukwananzi writes, as much as people believes that criminals in most money transit robbing are ordinary South Africans, Mukwananzi writes that he have evidence that they are servicing members of the Zimbabwe military ZNA. The KwaZulu-Natal Police General also said in that report that Zimbabwe is used in cleaning the dirty money from South Africa money laundering. The cleaning of that dirty money from South Africa involves close associates of Zimbabwe President Chivayo and Itagwirei are named in the report. General Mukwananzi went on to say the South African president should use the forthcoming Liberation Movement's meeting to tell the Zimbabwe president that his government had made crime in South Africa hard to solve by supplying professional military trained criminals into the ready out of hand South African criminal environment. Mukwananzi described ZANU-PF as no longer a liberation movement, but a criminal organization busy making money for both ANC and ZANU-PF big wings. Do mashukaru buda pangwa ine chanukwa kunzi aiwa ZANU-PF aiwa yo labeliwa as a criminal group, which is no longer a liberation movement. In our comment section, let me know if you want to play on each. Someone subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.